Welcome to TAILOS, a robotics company focused on bettering your commercial cleaning routine with the latest AI technology driving our products into your hospitality experience. Running your robot in hallways is simple. First, insert a fully charged battery and turn the robot on. Next, place your robot close to the wall at about 3 inches away. This way, the robot is out of the way of foot traffic when it begins to clean. By now, your bot should be booted up and ready to go with the play screen loaded. Do a quick check around the hallway to make sure there is nothing that could get stuck in the roller, then press play and walk away. Now that your robot is actively cleaning the hallway, check back in about an hour to see if the battery needs to be changed. If so, replace the battery and resume the clean cycle. Another way to resume cleaning is that if you notice the robot is low on battery upon passing by, you can simply press pause, then swap the battery out. The resume cleaning option will appear after the robot reboots. Your robot should return to where it started cleaning, but sometimes when the trip home is too long, it may end cleaning and park itself off to the side of the hallway. If you have any questions about our robotic solutions or any issues in the operation process, our support team is here to assist you with all of your automation needs. You can reach out to our support team through any of the channels listed here. Find this video and others like it on our YouTube channel.